My name is Kenneth Law, Senior Manager, Telecom Division of Fujitsu Hong Kong Limited. Thank you for joining me today. Thanks for the expansion of broadband internet access. VoIP has become popular in the recent years. As we know, VoIP stands for Voice over IP, which means we can deliver telephone service over the internet protocol. Over the years, VoIP technology has evolved and become mature and is now a very reliable technology. Actually, many telephone operators are delivering public telephony service using VoIP technology. At Fujitsu, we see VoIP as a highly effective example of unified communications, meaning consolidating all forms of communication on a single platform. Significant cost savings and compelling features responding to the fast-changing working environment has made VoIP more appealing to the business users. And we believe that unified communication will be the communication trend going forward. Before we go into the essential steps of installing VoIP, let's look at the features and the advantage that will deliver value to the business users. It is important for the business users to learn more about how VoIP can create value to their business before one can choose what VoIP system they would like to have. Not surprisingly, the number one reason is cost savings. Fujitsu believes this is particularly important at this point of time, when businesses are looking into better cost management during the economic downturn. At the startup stage, VoIP costs way less than that of traditional telephone service, because with VoIP, both voice and data communication runs on the data cable. There is no need to lease a separate cable specifically for telephone services. Therefore, it can achieve up to 30% of savings in infrastructure, line leasing, as well as ongoing operational and maintenance costs. At the startup stage, VoIP costs way less than that of traditional telephone system because there's no need to lease a separate telephone lines, as we are going to deploy both voice and data on the same converged data network. Therefore, it can achieve up to 30% of the infrastructure cost savings, as well as the ongoing operation and maintenance cost. Once installed, VoIP can also help to reduce the long-term administration and operating costs. For example, IDD costs and roaming charges can be significantly reduced because with VoIP, telephone service can now be done over the public internet. It is a very important incentive, especially for those businesses with a lot of frequent travelers. Moreover, the unit cost of extension terminals and peripherals and the power consumption is much less than that of the conventional telephone system. The second benefit of VoIP is that it offers all-in-one communication solution. When all activities can be consolidated on one platform, communications have never been so easy before. With VoIP, telephone calls, fax, voicemail, SMS, email, and video conference can be done at your fingertips. Telephone services are also available on desktop terminals, mobile phones, and soft phones on computers. VoIP also enhances office management because all communication activities are logged in the system. Work attendance and business transaction records can be easily verified. Contact management and data backup is also more efficient than ever, with everything available on the server. Flexibility is another key benefit of VoIP system. Users can now access their contact database through the web-based interface anytime, anywhere. Some solution providers, such as Fujitsu, offer open platform system to maximize the choice of terminals. With open platform terminals, users can save costs on terminals. Moreover, some VoIP solution providers offer open platform system to maximize the choice of terminals. With open platform terminals, the cost on the terminal spending can be saved up to 20% on top of the running infrastructure and the administration cost. For whatever reason you would like to adopt VoIP, installation is relatively easy. The first thing to do is to lease and install data lines in the office. If you are not relocating to a new office, make sure your data lines are in good condition. When the data cables are in place, you will have to install VLAN-enabled Ethernet switch. This switch enables voice signals to be transmitted on data cables without interfering with data transmission. Obviously, this is not the traditional PBX switch can achieve. The first step is to connect the system to the server. Solution providers like Fujitsu will be able to offer one-stop-shop solutions combining servers and communication system. For example, Fujitsu's ultra-slim super silent tower server Primagy TX120 is an ideal companion of VoIP system for data storage and backup purposes. Lastly, you will need to get IP telephone sets and connect them to the system. With all these benefits in your mind, Perhaps you will ask, based on what condition should business enterprise adopt VoIP? Based on our experience at Fujitsu, the most important consideration is whether your business requires intensive communication with multiple parties, such as customers, suppliers, and employees. VoIP is also an ideal solution for multi-location sites such as logistic, trading, and manufacturing industries. It will be ideal to have 50 or more users in a VoIP system to make it cost-effective and operationally efficient. With all the benefits highlighted above, we believe that unified communications, including VoIP, will be the communication model of the future. Are you ready to capitalize on it? My name is Kenneth Law, Fujitsu Hong Kong Limited. Thank you for joining me today.